হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু বিবিসি ক্লাসেস। তো দেখো, তোমাদের ম্যাথমেটিক্সদেরকে আমি তোমাদের যে কোর্সটা আমি তোমাদের স্টার্ট করেছি ইউজি লেভেলে, সেখানে আমি তোমাদের সাকসেসিভ ডেরিভেটিভ, লিবনিজ রুল, আমি তোমাদের অ্যালজেব্রার উপর একটা সিরিজ তোমরা বানিয়েছি। সেই অ্যালজেব্রা সিরিজটা তুমি আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল থেকে খুব ইজিলি পেয়ে যাবে। তো এই সিরিজটাকে ভালো করে দেখো, ওখান থেকে তোমরা অনেক কিছু শিখে যাবে। সাকসেসিভ ডেরিভেটিভ কি আছে, লিবনিজ রুল, সব থেকে বেস্ট হচ্ছে লিবনিজ রুল ইজ আ ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট চ্যাপ্টার। ঠিক আছে, আমাদের গ্রাজুয়েশনে যে কোনো ইউনিভার্সিটি আমাদের এই চ্যাপ্টারটা আমাদের খুব খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। তো তোমরা সেই চ্যাপ্টারের ভিডিওস গুলো তোমরা আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল থেকে পেয়ে যাচ্ছ। তো আজ থেকে আমি যেটা স্টার্ট করছি না, সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের জিওমেট্রি সিরিজ। ওকে, তো এবার থেকে আমরা যেটা স্টার্ট করব সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের জিওমেট্রি সিরিজ। এই জিওমেট্রি সিরিজের আন্ডারে যা যা চ্যাপ্টার আছে আমরা এখানে ডিটেলসে ডিসকাস করব। তো যারা তোমরা এই ভিডিওগুলো পেতে চাও তারা আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটা একটু সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বাস একটু রেখে দাও, বাস আর কিছু করার দরকার নেই তোমাদের। তোমরা সমস্ত ভিডিওস গুলো তোমরা পেয়ে যাবে। তো স্টার্ট করে আমাদের আজকের ফার্স্ট জিওমেট্রি সিরিজের আমাদের ফার্স্ট চ্যাপ্টার দিয়ে আমি স্টার্ট করছি। ওকে, হোয়াট ইজ আওয়ার ফার্স্ট চ্যাপ্টার? আওয়ার ফার্স্ট চ্যাপ্টার আন্ডার জিওমেট্রি ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ কোঅর্ডিনেটস। এটা দিয়ে আমি স্টার্ট করছি আমাদের জিওমেট্রি সিরিজ। তো দেখো, ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ কোঅর্ডিনেটস এর আন্ডারে আমাদের যে ফার্স্ট চ্যাপ্টার, দ্যাট ফার্স্ট চ্যাপ্টার ইজ কল্ড ট্রান্সলেশন। Translation means what? Translation means change of origin without any change in the direction of axis. That means what? Our translation, our first topic. So now I shall explain what is translation. Okay, so as the name suggested, translation means something to transform. Okay, to transform something. To see that. What is that? Suppose this is my old coordinate axis. Say there is my origin, there is my x, there is my y. So ox, oy, there is our initial axis. Okay, and suppose there is a point P, x, comma y with reference to ox, oy. Okay, with respect to the origin O, there is a point P, px, comma y, be a point. Okay, see that is a point px, comma y with respect to this axis. Okay, now suppose that, now as the name suggested, translation means change of origin. That means we have to change the origin. Okay, আমাদের অরিজিনটাকে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে। Change the origin without any change in the direction of the axis. That means don't change the direction of the axis. That means my axis remain as it is. Okay, so what we are doing, we are taking a line which is parallel to x and another line which is parallel to y, and say this is our new origin. That means entire axis being shifted. আমরা কি করছি? আমরা পুরো অ্যাক্সেসটাকে আমরা শিফট করছি from O to O dash. Okay, so O dash is what? O dash is our new origin. See that. What is O dash? Again repeat, O dash is our new origin. And suppose the coordinate of O dash is alpha, comma beta. Suppose the coordinate of O dash is alpha, comma beta. Say, okay, and we know our origin O, that will be 0, comma 0. So under translation, I again repeat, under translation, what we are doing, we are simply changing the axis. See that my axis is here. We are taking up parallel lines, parallel to OX and parallel to OY. That means we are changing the origin, but not the direction of axis. My direction of axis is also this. That is my new x, say x dash, and that is my new y, say y dash. So without changing the direction, see that the axis being shifted here. That means my origin is shifted here. Okay, আমরা এখানে অরিজিনটাকে শিফট করছি আন্ডার ট্রান্সলেশন। This is my old origin. Old origin means my actual origin. But whenever we shift the origin from this position to this position, its coordinate becomes some alpha comma beta, say some alpha comma beta. So O dash is our new origin, its coordinate is alpha comma beta. Okay. Now, if we shift the origin from this point to this point, suppose with respect to O dash, the coordinates of P become, P এর কোঅর্ডিনেট কি হয়ে যাচ্ছে দেখো, the coordinates of P become x dash comma y dash. That is what? This x dash comma y dash, this become with respect to this x dash comma y dash, this x dash comma y dash. Okay, this become with respect to O dash. So with respect to O, the coordinate of P is x comma y. After shifting the origin from here to here, my P becomes some x dash comma y dash. Okay, because obviously আমরা যদি অরিজিনটাকে শিফট করাই না, তাহলে এই কোঅর্ডিনেটটা ডেফিনেটলি চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে। উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু ও ড্যাশ, এটা কি আর এক্স আর ওয়াই থাকবে? নো, এটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে। সে ফর এক্সাম্পল, সে উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু ও, my initial coordinate P is 2, 3. If we shift the origin without changing the direction of axis, if we shift the origin, then obviously now with respect to O dash, the coordinate of P will not be 2, 3. তখন এটা 2, 3 থাকবে না। সে তখন সেটা অন্য কিছু একটা হয়ে যাবে, সে 3, 4 যা হোক হবে, বা 1, 2, anything. Okay, so that is the main thing of this translation. So whenever we shift the origin, my coordinate become another coordinate. From x comma y, it become x dash comma y dash. Okay. Then what? Now see that what is my x? We know that starting from origin, my x is up to P. This is my x. And what is my y? My y is this distance. This distance is my y. Okay. See that my x is basically this distance. Starting from this up to this, that is my x. And that is my y. And for x dash y dash, see that x dash is measured from O dash. x dash কে কোথা থেকে মেজার করা হচ্ছে? O dash থেকে। তাহলে আমার দেখো, আমার x dash এইটা হয়ে যাবে আমার x dash. This will be my x dash. And এই হাইটটা, this height will be my y dash. Right? Because x dash y dash, these are measured from O dash. ওদেরকে O dash থেকে মেজার করা হচ্ছে। যদি কারো কোনো ডাউট থাকে আমাকে কমেন্ট বক্সে লিখে দেবে। ওকে, আমি তোমাদের ডাউটের উপরে ক্লাস করাবো। তোমাদের যার যা ডাউট আছে আমাকে পাঠিয়ে দিও। তাহলে দেখো তাহলে কি হচ্ছে। সো দেখো তাহলে নাও হোয়াট ইজ আলফা বিটা। দেখো আলফা বিটা ইজ মেজার্ড ফ্রম ও, বিকজ ও ড্যাশ আলফা বিটা কার রেসপেক্টে মেজার করা হচ্ছে? রেসপেক্ট টু ও। দ্যাট মিন্স হোয়াট? দ্যাট মিন্স my this distance will be alpha and my this distance will be beta. See that এটা আমার alpha, এটা আমার beta, because O dash এর coordinate alpha comma beta. তার মানেটা কি? That means starting from origin O, h a distance, that distance is my alpha, and h a distance টা দেখতে পাচ্ছো, that distance is my beta. Okay, then what? Then see that there is a relation. There is a relation between x and x dash. Okay, x আর x dash এর মধ্যে দেখো একটা রিলেশন পাওয়া যাচ্ছে। What is the relation? See that the relation is this is my x. This entire length is x. That can be divided into two parts. First part is x dash. and another part is alpha. See that this entire length is x. That entire length can be divided into two parts. Kiki part? My first part is x dash and my second part is alpha. So we can write x equal to x dash plus alpha. And see that my this height is y. This height is my y dash. And this height is my beta. So we are getting y is equal to y dash plus beta. So what is the relation? The relation is x equal to x dash plus alpha, y is equal to y dash plus beta, where x dash y dash is what? My x dash y dash is, these are my new coordinates. These are my new coordinates after translation. See that this entire process is called translation, and after translation, my new coordinate become x dash y dash. Okay, and x comma y is my old coordinate. Old means with respect to origin. No, this is my entire concept of translation. So what? So whenever in tutorial you have question from this translation, okay, just remember up to this. Okay, the entire portion will be covered. Okay, you can give answer to any question if we have idea up to this portion. So translation is what? Translation means shifting of origin, but not direction of the axis. That is called translation. And my formula of translation is x equal to x dash plus alpha, y is equal to y dash plus beta. That is my formula for translation. Okay. Now take a very important question from this translation. This type of question came in all the university questions. Okay, Calcutta, Kalyani, Presidency, Jadavpur, in all university you shall get question like this. Question is what? Question is to what point the origin is to be transformed. মানে কি origin কে shift করা হচ্ছে. We are shifting the origin to what point? So that to get rid the first degree term. What is the first degree term? First degree term means my power of x will be 1, my power of x will be y will be 1. x আর y এর পাওয়ার 1 কে বলা হয় ফার্স্ট ডিগ্রি টার্ম। তো কি বলছে দেখো, বলছে যে টু হোয়াট পয়েন্ট দি অরিজিন ইজ টু বি ট্রান্সফর্ম। সলিউশন, okay, step by step. Say this is my old origin. So what point we have to shift the origin? There is a question. That means we need to find alpha beta. We need to find alpha beta. What point the origin is to be shifted to get rid of the first degree term. So the solution is let the origin is to be shifted. Let the origin is to be shifted to alpha comma beta. Okay? ধরা যাক আমরা অরিজিনটাকে শিফট করছি আলফা বিটাতে। Then our translation is what? Our translation is given by we know x equal to x dash plus alpha, y is equal to y dash plus beta, where x dash y dash are what? X dash y dash are new coordinates after translation. We know this is my formula for translation. Okay, translation formula this is, and as a whole it is called transformation of axis. So this is my translation. So put this value in this equation. So our equation become, this is our, okay, see that our equation is this. So after this translation, my equation become what? See that 8 into, put the value of x here. My value of x is x dash plus alpha plus 10 into x into y. My x is x dash plus alpha into y. My y is y dash plus beta. Okay. My x is x dash plus alpha, my y is y dash plus beta. So very good question. Plus 3 into y square, my y is again y dash plus beta, it's square. See that y dash plus beta square. Plus 26, my x is what? My x is x dash plus alpha. 16 into my y is what? My y is y dash plus beta. Plus 21 equal to 0. Okay? See that. So this is my translation. So after translation, this is my old equation, but after translation, my equation becomes this. So whenever we transform the coordinate, okay, this is also called transformation of coordinate. So after transformation of coordinate, my equation becomes this. Okay, my old coordinate was 0, 0, my origin, and after transformation of coordinate, they become alpha comma beta. Okay, it's a very important thing, very, very important. Now we shall calculate this. A plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Simple formula of a plus b whole square. Then calculate this. X dash y dash, then x dash beta, x dash y dash, x dash beta, then y dash alpha, then alpha beta. Simple calculation, okay? Plus 3 into, this is again a plus b whole square formula. Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Basic formula. A plus b whole square formula. Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then 26 x dash plus 26 alpha, 16 y dash plus 16 beta plus of 21 equal to 0. Okay, simple calculation. Just pause the video and write down the calculation. Then what? Now what is my target? See that in transformation of coordinate, my always target is to arrange the term. Where see that how we can arrange the term. At first, write down the term where x square is present, y square is present. See that in this term, my x square is present. Okay, only in this term, my x square is present. Then see that only in this term, my y square is present. See that x square, y square. Now take second degree term. Second degree means x dash y dash. See that here it is 10 x dash y dash. See that under x dash y dash we have what? Under x dash y dash we have only 10 x dash y dash. Okay. Then write down the all first degree term. First degree means where power is 1. See that here my power is 2. It is not first degree term. Here my power is 2. It is not first degree term. But here my power is also 2. Power of x is 1. Power of y is 1. If we add the power is 2. So it is my second degree term. So these are all my second degree term. Now we are considering the first degree term. First degree means where x dash is present. Power of x dash is 1. That is, it is my first degree term. So দেখো first degree term কি আসছে দেখো এখানে. My first degree terms are first of all this 8 to the 16 alpha. Then my first degree term is what? This. See that is my first 8 to the 16 alpha. Then here take x dash common. You shall get 10 beta. You shall get 10 beta. Then is my first degree term 26. Then my y dash. What is my y dash? This is my first y dash term, first degree term, which is 10 alpha. 10 alpha. Then there is my y dash term. 3 to the 6 beta. Then there is my another y dash term. There is my 16. Then my constant term are what? 10 alpha beta. Constant term means what? যেখানে না তো x আছে না তো y. Okay, no x is present, no y is present. These are first constant term. 10 alpha beta. Next constant term 3 beta square. Next constant term 26 alpha. My next constant term 16 beta. My next constant term 21. And in right hand side we have 0. See that? This is my calculation. Yeah, okay, calculation is to carefully korte hoy, carefully, okay? See, this is my calculation. Now what? Now see that in question we are required to remove. Get rid of means what? Get rid of means remove. You have to remove first degree term. First degree term means this is my first degree term. This is my first degree term. Because all these are my second degree term. This is my first degree term. This is my first degree term. So then what? See that to get rid of first degree term. Okay, so if we want to remove first degree term, the first degree term will be removed. See that how we can remove first degree term? Simply equate their coefficient with 0. Equate their coefficient with 0. Say that. Equate their coefficient with 0. Their coefficient, this coefficient is 0 means what? My first degree term have been removed. Similarly, equate this with 0. Equate this with 0. See that my first degree terms are removed. Okay? We are equating this with 0, this with 0. So as to get rid of first degree term. Remove মানে কি? Coefficient টা 0 করে দাও। এটাকে বলা হয় remove করা। Means coefficient will be 0. So দেখো এখানে ক্যালকুলেশন হচ্ছে একটুখানি তোমার 2 দিয়ে 8x sorry this is my alpha, sorry this is my alpha, it is not x, it is alpha, 16 alpha. So 2 দিয়ে cancel করলে 8 alpha plus 5 beta plus 13 equal to 0. See that 2 দিয়ে cancel করে রাখো 8 alpha plus 5 beta plus 13 equal to 0. আর এটাকে 2 দিয়ে cancel করো, this will be 5 alpha plus 3 beta plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, now if we simplify we shall easily get alpha and beta. Okay, just simplify this, you shall get alpha and beta. Okay, so this is simply a simplification. করলে তুমি পেয়ে যাবে তুমি আলফা আর বেটার ভ্যালুটা। সো এটাকে আমি যদি ইকুয়েশন 1 ধরি, ইকুয়েশন 2 এটাকে নিয়ে নাও, লেট ইট বি ইকুয়েশন 2। কি করবে দেখো, এটাকে 3 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করো, মাল্টিপ্লাই দিস বাই 3, মাল্টিপ্লাই দিস বাই 5 করলে দেখো 3 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে কি হবে দেখো, 3 8 is 24 alpha, 5 3 is 15 beta plus 39 equal to 0. 3 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করছি, 3 8 is 24, 3 5 is 15, 3 okay 13 into 3 39, 5 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে কি হবে দেখো, 25 alpha, 15 beta, 40 equal to 0. Then simply subtract them, cancel হয়ে যাচ্ছে। 24 alpha minus 25 alpha gives you minus alpha, 39 minus 40 gives you minus 1, giving you alpha equal to 1. Alpha equal to 1. So my alpha become 1, value of alpha become 1. Now put alpha equal to 1 in equation, this equation 1. From 1 put alpha equal to 1. কি হবে দেখো 8 into 1 plus 5 into beta plus 13 equal to 0. So 5 beta plus 21 equal to 0. Say that. So we are getting my beta equal to minus 21 by 5. You can check the calculation. Okay, just putting alpha equal to 1 in this equation. Okay, so see that this become my answer. So my alpha become 1, my beta equal to minus 21 by 5. So my new origin, that means the point where the origin is to be shifted. যে পয়েন্টে আমরা অরিজিনটাকে শিফট করব, that means my new origin. That will be my alpha is 1, my beta is minus 21 by 5. So it's a very good question. Alpha is 1, beta equal to minus 21 by 5. That is my new origin. Okay, if we shift the origin from 0, 0 to here, 0, 0 to here, our first degree term means this and this. First degree term means this and this will be removed. Okay, so it's my final answer of this question. Okay. Next question. Next question is find the equation to the curve this refer to find the equation to the curve this refer to parallel axis through the point this. What is the meaning of this question? Say that. The meaning of the question is, suppose this is my actual origin or old origin. With respect to this origin, suppose the equation of a curve is this. Okay, suppose this is the equation of a curve is this. Note that there is a there is a curve where my second degree term, my first degree term, all are present. Okay, my second degree, first degree, all are present. Suppose this is the curve. Suppose there is the curve with respect to old origin. Now what? Now the origin is to be shifted at this point. Origin ke kothay shift kora hocche? -1, 2 te. Say there is my -1, there is my 2. Say eram জায়গাতে. Okay? দেখো অরিজিনটাকে দেখো এইভাবে শিফট করা হচ্ছে। প্যারালাল লাইনস। দেখো অরিজিন গুলোকে এইভাবে শিফট করা হচ্ছে। Say this is my -1, 2. Okay, see that these x-axis are parallel, this y-axis are parallel. This is called parallel axis. And this is my -1, 2. Now, if we shift the origin from this to this, obviously the equation of the curve will be changed. Curve equation ta change hoye jabe to. This equation, this is suppose there is a curve. There is a curve with respect to old origin. But যদি অরিজিনটাকে চেঞ্জ করা হয় from this point to this point, তাহলে কার্ভটা obviously চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে। তো কোশ্চেন করছে যে কার্ভটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে কি ফর্ম হবে? What is the form? What will be the form of the curve? কার্ভের ফর্মটা কি হবে? এইটা বলছে কোশ্চেনটাতে। ওকে, তো কি করে হবে? We know my translation is what? What is my translation? We know my translation is given by x equal to x dash plus alpha. Here my alpha is -1. See that alpha is given. So x equal to x dash plus alpha. And my y is y dash plus beta. My beta is what? My beta is 2. So these are my x and y. X equal to x dash plus alpha, y equal to y dash plus beta. So after this transformation of coordinate, what will be my final equation? So this is my equation, 9x square plus 4y square plus 18x minus 16y minus 11 equal to 0. This is my old equation. Now my x is x dash plus 1 minus 1. y is y dash plus 2. Similarly, here also x equal to x dash plus alpha, y equal to y dash plus beta. See that? We are putting x equal to x dash minus 1 here, y equal to y dash plus 2 here. Similarly here. And minus 11 equal to 0. Okay? See that? Now calculate this. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Then a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 18x dash minus 18 minus 16y dash minus 32 minus 11 equal to 0. Simply a calculation. Okay? Simply a calculation. Now complete this calculation. After calculation, you can see that my answer of this question will be 9x dash square plus of 4y dash square is equal to 16. Sorry, 36. This will be 36. You can check the calculation. It's a very easy calculation. After this calculation, you shall get this 9x dash square plus 4y dash square equal to 36. So this is my transformed equation. Okay, whenever we shift the origin from 0, 0 to this point, and recall this equation is called equation of an ellipse. আমি ellipse এর উপর একটা ভিডিও বানিয়েছি, তোমরা দেখতে পারো, very important video, ellipse. So দেখো, so এটা হয়ে গেল আমাদের ট্রান্সলেশন থেকে এভরিথিং। তো নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমরা আসবো ট্রান্সফরমেশন অফ কোঅর্ডিনেটস এর আরেকটা পার্ট, that is another part of transformation of coordinate, that is called rotation, and rotation is very important topic. Okay, এখান থেকে অনেক বেশি কোশ্চেন আসে, that is why it is very important. Then translationের থেকেও এখান থেকে বেশি কোশ্চেন আসে। So in my next video I shall discuss everything from rotation and solve some important question from this chapter. Okay, so দেখা হচ্ছে আবার নেক্সট ভিডিওতে। Till then, bye bye.